Hi and welcome to Tempest. Wanted to take a few minutes today to talk about the Tempest VS-1.2 battery powered fan. This fan comes in at an AMCA certified 10,887 CFM. This fan has a swappable and removable battery, so you can actually swap batteries in the field. You'll get 70 minutes of run time on each battery, meaning that if you have the fan dialed up to 100%, you'll get 70 minutes of runtime on that battery, and then you can swap it out and add another battery in as well. This fan can also be used as an electric fan, so you can plug it in and use it on standard 110 horsepower or also on a small generator. Let's go over some of the features of the fan. So first of all, it has 4 LED lights built into the bottom. Those LED lights are designed to light up the pathway. It has a couple of different tilt positions, so you can lock it into a negative tilt position, a positive tilt position, or back into the central position. This fan has a collapsible handle. Handle drops down. That makes it easier to load and unload into small compartments. Gives you a little bit smaller footprint, makes the fan a little bit shorter, makes it a little easier fit. Locks back into the up position, gives you a couple of different carry points. Also, this fan has wheels on the front. That gives you the ability to flip it up and pull the fan to the scene on the wheels. This fan only weighs 53 pounds with the battery in it. Has a couple of accessories we want to talk about. Number one, the fan charging system is separate. It's not built into the fan. It's actually a separate charging system. Number two, it has a shoulder strap accessory. So you just lock the shoulder strap into 2 different points on the fan frame, and it gives you the ability to carry the fan as well. Has a misting ring attachment, so you can actually just attach the misting ring onto the front of the fan. It gives you the ability to have hook up to standard garden hose and have a misting ring option for rehab purposes. And then also it has a ducting option. So this is flex tube ducting, just mounts onto the front shroud of the fan, gives you the ability to duct the air in. 2 other accessories is it has a door hanging kit, so it actually locks into a door frame, gives you the ability to hang the fan inside of a door frame. And also you can order a 12-volt truck inverter system, meaning that you can put the battery charging system inside your truck, mount it in, and hook it to your shoreline. If you'd like some more information or you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Tempest at 559-277-7577. Thank you.